guys, today we've got a pair of sneakers that were so hyped it caused a chaotic mob, Jordan's brand new sneaker, and a mysterious Yeezy package that I ordered half a year ago. Let's kick this off by getting the vibes right with a good old pull tab. Alright, we've got a couple Nike packages, so which one is this? Okay. Oh man, I'm hyped for these. Look at that box, it's a little different. The shoes are a little different too. This is the Who Decides War Flight Court. Now, this is a freaking cool sneaker. Man, it's crazy. I've got the first one, the all over black pair, but it now confirms it. I prefer these way more. It's actually crazy. I don't think there's another Jordan brand model that you get this kind of value with. It's almost unprecedented. Like, this is a pair of shoes that's like 110, 120 bucks, but it comes with some of the best materials that you'll find almost on any Jordan. You've got one of the softest suede nubuck type materials, super nice hairy suede on the side, embroidery, and something even crazier is that this foam that they've put in this midsole is softer than 90% of Jordan retros. Now, not only that, but the good materials move to the inside with a fully leather sock liner, multiple extra laces, black and red, and these are the premium wax style laces that come with the Travis Scott sneakers. You got a bunch of really cool details on here that kind of signify Jordan brand, and of course Who Decides War, which is like this little piece back here. It actually is tearaway material, so you can kind of get rid of the top layer with the Jumpman and have the little Who Decides War logo on the back. This is dope. This is seriously like a cool looking pair of shoes. It looks a lot better when it's not choked out like how it comes in the box. I think the annoying thing about this is like when the first one dropped, like this is how they launched this sneaker model, the Jordan Flight Court, a new affordable model from Jordan brand, and they launched it with this collaboration. So my expectations were up here, but sadly the GR version of this is just not even comparable. Like, the materials are completely different. This is where they just go so hard by adding incredible stuff, and then the GR one is just pretty basic. Either way, super happy to have picked these things up. Let me know what you think down in the comment section. Would you wear these? Right, we got a pair of shoes that I don't need, but I might need them as well. I'm sure you've experienced this before. Like, I had no plans to buy this pair of shoes, but then come release day, I was like, come on, I gotta. So here we got a New Balance box, and I'm hoping what's inside is worse looking than I'm expecting. This is the New Balance 2000 Gray, or Silver Metallic. So this is the latest of the brand new New Balance 2000 model, and yes, I have the original blue colorway, and so I thought, I don't need these things, but I decided to pick them up because I was like, maybe this colorway is gonna be better, and I just want to have two. But you know what, like, seeing them in hand, I mean, it's a really nice colorway. I love how they separated like the blue midsole, but then you've got like the gray on the top. But this gray does have a little bit of a weird color to it. Almost from afar, it kind of has like green undertones to it, almost like a mossy color, but then when you look up close, it doesn't. It's a little bit of a strange one, but it just kind of looked duller and less punchy, whereas that blue color just hits. I don't know. I'm gonna try these things out. I'm gonna wear them with a few different outfits, see if it's something that I really actually need, or can I just stick with the original one. But so far, I'm pretty happy with that blue color that I got. Either way, these dropped alongside a black color. Let me know if you've tried out this model yet. It's fantastic. It's one of my favorite shoes to drop this year. I've been wearing them a ton, and I love these things. All right, let's get into this Yeezy package. Why not? It showed up. I don't even know what the hell I ordered because it was so long ago. This was back in like January or February that I ordered this, and it literally just showed up yesterday. Hopefully it's those boots. I think that's the only thing that I would be kind of excited about, or those sneakers that they dropped. I'm hoping they finally shipped that because I did order a bunch. Okay, we do have the shoe bags. You can see like that nylon bag that they've been using. This is not going to be a sneaker. All right, so I must have ordered all of them. Wow, okay, so it's like actually a shoe with the paper in it. This is the Yeezy slipper, but in the white colorway. I honestly did not think I would ever get these things. I thought that they just canceled orders, or they just were never going to ship it and he moved off with the money or something. But the reason why I bought the white ones is because the black ones only came in like 6, 8, 10, 12, whereas these came in like single sizes. So I got a 7 because I don't know what the hell my size is in these things. I guess we could see if these fit. I mean, normally I'm a size like 9. So, I mean, if these fit, then they are just crazy with sizing. They do indeed fit, actually. It's a much better fit than the last ones I got. All right, what else we got in here? Oh, okay, so we got the other color too. This is a size 8. Okay, so I was just buying a bunch of sizes, basically. Okay, you don't get paper in here. I don't know why one does and one doesn't. This is the gray color. So I've got black, gray, and white now. Sheesh. Interesting to at least see the sizing though. I'll see what an 8 feels like. 8 kind of fits too. Maybe there's a little bit of room, but I don't know. It's kind of nice with the room because they're so like, there's no breathability. So at least if you get a bigger size, some air can get in there. But yeah, I did make a whole video on like these shoes. So if you do want to see that, check it out. But in short, they are $20 and they feel like $20. And there is some other stuff in here. Okay, so this is a bunch of clothing. So it looks like, okay, so we got 3 items. This is a t-shirt. Whoa, that's big. Whoa, that's huge. And why are the sleeves so short? Kind of similar to like the Vulture stuff where it's just like one piece of material, or like, you know, you don't have like separate things for the arms. It's just one single stitch. But this one has more where you've got like actual hemming. It's not raw edge. I guess I've got to try this on for you. I don't know what size this is. It has 0 branding, 0 labels, 0 sizing on anything. Okay, I also got a hoodie, it looks like, a gray one. Yep, just a gray blank hoodie. Wow, that's massive too. What the hell sizes was I getting? Okay, gray blank hoodie. I'll show you some B-roll of me wearing it. And then a black hoodie. Is this gonna be a blank one too? Oh no, this has Bully. Okay, Bully, the album that still hasn't released, I think. So there's that. No pocket on this one. Okay, well, at least it was just 20 bucks. I do want to know in the comments how many of you are still waiting on Yeezy orders. It's gotta be a bunch, because I know I definitely ordered those sneakers and the boots, and I don't think those are ever coming. Either way, let's keep this moving and find out what the hell's in this box. Yes, sir. We got 'em. This is the Levi's Nike collab, and I love how they did this box. So it's like the retro Air Max box, but now obviously you have the Levi's branding. You've got, I guess, the red in replacement of the orange, but the same cardboard, and you got like little Just Do It. That is pretty dope. Let's pop these things open. Show you guys what color I got. Oh, you get special paper as well. Either way, the sneakers. We got the white ones. Plenty of extra laces. So on here is just like the regular like Air Max style, but then you also get these red rope style laces that are like a little bit more ropey, and then you also get another pair of white ones if you just want to change up the aesthetics. What the hell is this sticker on here? Oh, it passed quality control. That's a sticker. You get a little hang tag with these, which is nice. Levi's and Nike, and then Air Max on the back. You get a cool custom little section here on the bottom, which says Levi's, and of course is in the classic red. Damn, and I thought this came on both, but only on the right pair do you get the little Levi's tag that they obviously put on all of their jeans and stuff. This is the 3rd colorway that they did. Well, they dropped them as a pack. We had the blue one, which I think was the most limited and the most hyped. Then we had the black one, which I think was a little bit more limited, and then these ones. But all 3 were just insanely hard to get, and that's why they caused absolute chaos. There was like a mob of people standing outside of Levi's trying to just get their hands on a pair. They had this crazy Levi's app release where people were making orders, the app was crashing, and then the people who did make orders got their orders cancelled, or at least most of them. But with all of the chaos, finally we have the sneakers, and these things are really interesting. It does have the big bubble, which is nice. This colorway is like so plain. It's like sail, maybe a little bit tannish with the white. I expect a lot of people are going to like customize these where they're like, I don't know, dip dyeing or painting it, because this is all just denim material. So it will be very, very friendly to paint or dyeing. I don't know if that was the right word. It will dye easily. Oh, here's another cool little detail about these. You also get custom insoles with a bunch of like Levi's style branding. This is a cool release. It makes a lot of sense. Like if you know the lore behind Levi's, Jordan, and Nike collaborations in the past. And obviously a huge year for the Air Max 95, the 30th anniversary of the sneaker. So they're doing a bunch of different collaborations, bringing back a bunch of OG models and stuff like that. But yeah, this is cool. Anybody who managed to get them, let me know down in the comment section. I'd love to know your thoughts on the sneaker and what colorway did you get. Next, we got one that I think is going to be pretty interesting. If you saw my top 10 slides video, you would know that there's a Puma pair that was pretty high up on the list. Those things were actually insanely comfortable, and the cushioning was something I was so impressed with that I thought, you know what? I gotta try their comfortable sneakers. So this is their latest and greatest, and I am determined to see how good they are. Damn. So this is the Mag Max Nitro, I think they call it. It does feel like there is a plate inside, so this would be something that I probably would not wear casually, but I know that they have like takedown versions that don't have a plate. I really like the midsole, and they do have like a bunch of other models that are like same cushioning but different setup. This, I just really wanted to try their flagship cushioning, which is this Nitro stuff. Like, yeah, that cushioning is seriously nice. Like, that is super soft, but also like a little bit bouncy. It kind of reminds me of Adidas's Light Strike. So I wonder, I mean, this has definitely opened the door for me to try out some Pumas. Let me know if you've tried any of their Nitro cushioning. Either way, interested to try these things out, and if there's anything cool about it, I'll let you guys know. But there you have it. That is all of the sneakers. But if you do want to catch another video, I'll throw one up in the left-hand corner. Just check it out.